Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I created this look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. This palette has 14 beautiful and very colorful eyeshadows in it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. I am starting with the color Sails on the MAC 224 brush, and I'm buffing it all over my lid as a base. I am taking the Morphe R39 brush with the color Estate on it. It's a light peachy tone. I am blending it into my crease. Next, I am taking the same brush with the color Coastline. I am again blending it into my crease. I am taking the color Mediterranean. It's a beautiful light blue glitter shadow on a small lip brush. I am applying the color all over my mobile lid and a little bit above. I'm applying palm to my outer corner, and I'm starting to blend it out towards the blue color. I'm taking the Morphe R39 brush with a little bit more of the color Coastline on it, and I'm starting to blend over the edges. I'm taking the E34 brush we used before with the color Palm on it, and I'm applying it to my lower lash line. I am making sure to connect the colors on the outer corner. Now I'm taking the Morphe M506 brush with the color Estate on it, and I'm blending out the color Palm on my lower lash line. Now I'm going back in with the color Mediterranean on my finger, and I press it onto my lid to make the color pop a bit more. Now I'm applying mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Now I'm taking the Morphe M213 brush with the color Seaside on it, and I'm putting it on my inner corner. To brighten it up a little bit more, I'm taking the color Sails on the same brush and just go over the color we applied before. Now I'm applying the color Sails on my brow bone to give it a little lift. Now this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please hit the like button and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.